Hello, myself Arvind Deshmukh from Alphatech Systems. Welcome to TLC Expo, Pune. Achal static stabilizer. It is mainly used for CNC machine for power conditioning. It is manufactured by TSi Power. We have recently given order to TSi Power for 416 kVA static stabilizer for one of our most prestigious customer in Nashik. We are associated with TSi Power and we are very proud to say that TSi is a very branded company, manufactures very well known and quality products in power conditioning solutions. Alphatech Systems is a 29-year-old company dealing in power conditioning and backup solutions like UPS, inverter, all types of batteries, voltage stabilizer, precision AC and smart IT solutions. We are partner for Amaron Quanta SMF batteries, Amara Raja batteries since inception of these batteries. We are also partner for Vertu product. Vertu Energy manufactures various products like smart AC, smart precision AC, smart solutions, UPS from 600 VA to 9000 kVA, and we are also partner for TSi Power.